Hello, this is Armando Penblade from thegeekery.org, and today I'm going to film two short videos about mechanical keyboards. I'd like to start by thanking everyone for their kind words, subscriptions, and views on my last video. That was a fantastic response, and I certainly hope to bring you more great content on a variety of topics. My first video today will be a short one. I'd like to closely demonstrate some of the major differences between three popular styles of keyboard available in the market today. I'll be testing a mechanical keyboard, the Filco Majestouch with Cherry MX Blue switches, a more traditional model, the Microsoft Comfort Curve 2000 with rubber domes, and a wireless keyboard, the iRock 6570 with scissor switches. First up, we have the Filco keyboard, made by Diatech and distributed in the US by Keyboard Co. and Amazon. As you will hear, it's quite loud and very clicky. I will type the simple sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog," twice for you to hear it, but I will not be working to avoid bottoming out the keys, which would reduce both the noise and my typing speed. Another interesting trait for the gamers amongst you is the keyboard's so-called N-Key Rollover feature. I've got it hooked up via PS2 cable right now to enable that, and as such, it's capable of recognizing as many keys at once as my hands can press. Let me demonstrate. There, 6 keys were seen simultaneously, and here, as many as 8 will register. The next keyboard is the Comfort Curve, distributed just about everywhere by just about everyone. As you will hear, it's significantly quieter than the Filco, although I still create some noise by bottoming out the keys to ensure they actuate properly. While this keyboard has surprisingly good key recognition, its USB design does have its limitations. While common gaming combos centered around the WASD keys have no problems, for instance like so, other longer strings of characters can occasionally miss a letter or two. As you see here, the semicolon is not registering with the other keys. Finally today, we have the iRocks, which I originally purchased on Newegg. This exact model is now hard to find, but 6570 series keyboards are still widely available. Once again, this is a fairly quiet keyboard, but with more springiness to it than the Comfort Curve, thanks to its scissor switches, and yet a very different feel than the mechanical keyboard as well. The iRocks has significantly more limitations in terms of key rollover. Many semi-common combinations fail, and it does a very poor job of picking up more than just a few key presses at a time for certain areas of the keyboard. I hope this video guide was helpful to those of you considering buying a mechanical keyboard and curious about its sound compared to other, more normal models. For a more in-depth look at the Filco, check out my channel or read the full review at thegeekery.org. And as always, thank you for your time.